Hi everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go STEM with Miss Portia. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you. We will be diving into the world of finance and technology as we explore how to create a powerful loan calculator using Python and Pictoblox. Whether you are a coding newbie or an experienced programmer, I bet you are in for a treat. Let's get started. In this video, we'll learn how to use Python and Pictoblox to generate loan interest step by step. We'll also have fun with Toby, our new teller, who gives us the interest on our loan. Grab your computer, download and install the latest version of Pictoblox. The link will be in the description box. Before we jump into coding, let's quickly understand what a loan interest calculator is. Imagine taking a loan, whether for a car, home, or anything else. You are going to be charged interest on that loan, right? That's where our calculator comes in handy. We are going to use Python, a versatile programming language, and Pictoblox, an awesome visual programming platform, to build a calculator that will make this complex calculation a breeze. Now let's gather some useful information on the loan. We will need the loan amount, the interest rate, and the loan period. Using Python's powerful arithmetic functions and Pictoblox's visual power, let's start coding. We start by opening our Pictoblox interface. Select Python coding. Here's the breakdown of the code. First, let's get our variable called Toby. We know a variable as an initial value, right? To get Toby, you can just click on the sprite button on the right side of your screen. But remember, you can pick any sprite of your choice. Therefore, the variable sprite is equal to sprite Toby. Next, we need to define the function of our interest calculator to state the exact amount we will need from the bank. We do this by listing all the elements that will help our interest calculator, which are the principal, bank rate, and time. This explains our second point, where we define the interest calculator by multiplying all the elements, that's the principal with the rate and the time. So to get the amount, we need our principal plus principal times rate times time divided by 100. Hope you still remember your simple interest calculation. Also remember, our function should return the amount of money we need to take at the bank. Next, let's code our user input for the principal, which can be in the form of a float. Don't forget floats are decimals. This explains our user input from line 6 to line 12, where the user can enter the rate and time as well. Now let's finish up by telling our sprite what to say after the user has entered all the necessary elements. That's line 13. Sprite.say amount is, then the amount will be displayed on your screen for 5 seconds. Congratulations! Are you ready for the fun part? Let's run the code and see what Mr. Toby, our new teller, will say. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share the link. Thank you and see you in my next video.